Hello friends, today I have bring an easy trick for girls, especially for those who love to do some DIY sort of things and want to use seashells in their crafts. In this video I am telling you how to do hole in seashell and some tricks also how to do it without cracking and without drilling. Then some ideas where you can use them. For not missing anything, make sure to watch all video and volume up so you won't miss anything. So let's begin the video. For making hole in shells, I am not using any fancy thing, just few things which most of the homes have. One hammer and a nail and a rug and a marker. Try to make hole in thicker part of shell, not thinner side. Because if we will make hole on thinner side, there has a more chance to crack. Then take a marker and point where we need exactly the hole. Then take a nail and put it on your shell and hammer it. One more thing, that the placing is so much important. I am showing you here from the different angles so you can get easily that what I am doing here. Placing is important. I am using a rug. You can use any carpet, rug or folded bed sheets. So when we will apply pressure, it won't just touch the floor. That rug and the carpet can absorb that and our shell will not crack. I think you maybe get what I am trying to say. Give it a base which can absorb pressure. Then hammering, not in continuous pattern. Rather hammer and pause, hammer and pause. So shell will absorb and balance the pressure. Also, this is the easiest and quick method to do hole in seashells without so much mess, without any fancy equipments. And look, there is our beautiful hole ready. Now this shell is ready for some DIY. You can use them in making jewelry, in clothing, in keychains, in dream catchers, or in many places you can use them. If you buy these from market, you will get these little costly. So why not do it in home? Just collect them by seashore or buy without hole shells and enjoy your DIY.